This was without doubt one of the biggest demonstrations ever seen in the Chechen capital of Grozny. Hundreds of thousands of men and women heeding the call of their president, taking to the streets to protest against the publication of caricatures of the Prophet Muhammad. In this mainly Muslim republic, Chechnya's president, Ramzan Kadyrov, who joined the march, had called for 1 million people to get out on the streets in peaceful protest, and his appeal was answered. It was an opportunity for the president to remind the Kremlin that he enjoys widespread support not just in Chechnya, but also in neighboring republics where tens of thousands of people responded to his call, flooding the capital. There was no aggression here. Posters read, "Take your hands off our prophet." Addressing the crowds, President Kadyrov said he will never allow the prophet to be insulted.
We are telling the world that Muslim people won't allow themselves to be used for destabilizing the situation in the country. We were always a reliable defender of Russia, and today we can stand against any enemy of our country.
The Russian government, only too well aware of the depth of feeling against the Charlie Hebdo publication, was quick to distance itself from the Je suis Charlie movement following the Paris killings, and last week reiterated its full support for a media ban on the publication of religious caricatures. And the turnout in Grozny on Monday appears to show just how widespread is the support for that move. Peter Sharp, Al Jazeera in Moscow.